Out here by the landmark. Here comes the parade for the Saddle Club Wagon train. They have it every year, and this year I'm going to film it for you. You get to see a bunch of horses and ladies and gents riding around on horses and carrying their banners and flags. And really good time of year for us out here in Chatsworth, Georgia. Yeah, got some nice looking horses. They sure do. It'll be a long one because there's a lot of people up there, right over that hill there. All these horses. They go around and round by my motorcycle club, which I'll show you in a little bit. And then from there, they go downtown to the, they ain't supposed to turn up there. They go downtown to the Main Street, and they run all the way down Main Street, and then they come back. They come back around this other street over here, down that street, and they'll come back this way again. Then back up the hill to the, here he comes, back up the hill to the Saddle Club, where they have their events for like a week and a half, 2 weeks. Beautiful animals, huh? One got stuck up. I think he's waiting till us get past him. Here, one of the boys got hurt up there this year. Hope he's okay. Sure is a lot of them this year. I used to work up there and work security, because they drank a little bit up there and get out of hand, but this year they don't got security. They're taking care of their own security, I guess. I didn't offer to do it, so I guess they're gonna do it on their own. They sure have a good time every summer at this. I know that. And I'll be posting this sometime tonight. Once you get all the little bugs out of it. I know I ain't perfectly still. It's gonna be a while. I should have got my tripod and brought it. I did not. And a wasp keeps on trying to sting me here, so I'm jumping around a little bit. Okay, we'll get it back in focus now. Anyhow, I know a lot of these people that'll be coming down through here. Some of them in wagons. They probably don't recognize me with my short hair and my bandana on. But I know a bunch of them. Let me see if I can recognize anybody here pretty soon. What are you doing? Slow down. I gotta take a picture. Y'all having fun? Oh yeah. That's Bridget and her mother and her son, a friend of mine. There they go. What's going on, man? Y'all having fun? Yeah? Y'all having fun this year, yeah? You look like you are. I'll burn up in there. Y'all having fun? Dude, yeah, y'all always have fun. Yeah, I think they're just spreading them out a little bit. That's all they're doing. I'm barred from the landmark, so I can't go down there and take pictures. So I just stay at my clubhouse here. They won't let me in no more. Letting everybody catch up, I think, is what they're doing. Yes, I believe they are. All the individual horses will be behind the wagon. Or maybe they're letting them go around them or something, I don't know. Maybe they want to be the last 2 wagons come through. Anyhow, we're gonna film every bit of it, and then we might even get them whenever they come back. I think that's the end of it coming up there. Sure enough, I believe that's about all of it, but that was a lot of it. Anywho. Y'all having fun? Hey, how you doing? Pretty good. Y'all having fun? Good deal. That's a pretty horse. Black and white. Yeah, they just letting the horses go on by them. They gonna pull up in the rear, I guess, of them wagons. How y'all doing? Having fun? Heck yeah. I know every one of them boys, just about. I was watching to see who I didn't know. That's a pretty black and white. There's old Heath. What you doing, Heath? You get lost? Are you bringing up the rear? I'm gonna put y'all on YouTube. Yeah, I'm on YouTube, y'all. Y'all be famous. You gonna be famous. Just sit there for a minute. You gonna be famous, man. Come see us tonight. That looks like the last of the houses. Hey, how y'all doing?
Doing good. How you doing?
Pretty good. Y'all having fun?
Yes, sir. Hey, Daddy.
Good to see y'all out here having fun. This is my club, USMC. Georgia 2 Military Vets Motorcycle Club, and here are some of my members, some of our guests. And here's the clubhouse. All right. Let me see what I got there. I got about, see, this is our patch right here. U.S. Military Vets MC. Maybe they on a big old carpet. There's a bar. There's a probate. There's his wife. Hello, wife.
Hey.
Say hello.
Hi.
You're famous. All right. I'm gonna cut that one here, and I might come back and get the rest of that horse race.